Welcome to Coffee Grind Gossip with Crystal, and let's make this kitchen scrap bread. Yes, you heard it. And this is a great bread, so let's get ready. Let's go. So before I get started with the video, take notes of the recipe. 2 cups of self-rising flour, 1 egg, a half a cup of milk, chopped tomatoes, jalapeno peppers, onions, and cheese, and teaspoon of oil. And here are the seasonings that I'm going to use. Now you can use whatever seasoning you want. I choose smoked paprika, oregano, and what's not pictured is the black pepper. So let's get started. Mix your egg and milk and all your seasonings. That's the first step. Your vegetables. Add your flour mixture. Okay, stir it good here. And you want a sticky texture, not a thick, just like this here. Add a little flour if you need, and then get your flour board ready. And then you're going to knead this out and let it sit for like 15 minutes, like I have right here. Once your 15 minutes is up, you're going to transfer this once your 15 minutes is up into your loaf dish, like I have it right here. You're going to oil a loaf pan, get it prepared, and you're going to let this sit for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. And this is what you got here. And this makes the best bread. Very good. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I'm telling you, this is a perfect bread. And thanks for stopping by. Like, comment, and share. And I will see you guys on the next video. Take care and be blessed.